Do-It-Yourself Dell with a continuing conversation about the installation of our TV. We previously showed you how we hooked up the hardware and lagged screwed it into the wall and everything, and it works pretty good. But at the time we were thinking that we could use a soundbar, not soundboard, soundbar, and we purchased this hardware here, and it had a couple of items that came out for a shelf, and the soundbar was going to fit on the shelf, and this was going to get bolted up into the TV along with the mount of the wall mounting hardware. And at the time, I felt that we've got so much weight on there now that I didn't want to handle anymore, and I didn't know how much the sound bar would weigh. All by way of saying, in lieu of that, we've got these acoustic kind of barrier kind of items. They look like this. They're peel off, and so rather than have a sound bar, we've got this sound bouncing off the wall back at the watcher and the listener, and it's been working out. Don't really have it, anything to compare it to, but an authority who happens to be my cousin from another state who owns a lot of 4K TVs said, "Well, that big Brevia, that doesn't need a sound bar." So he's always saying I don't listen to him, but I did, and so this was our alternative, and it seems to. I don't have any complaints as far as the audio is concerned, and so just it's kind of an alternate kind of thing if you don't want to go that route. And technology-wise, it might not need the sound bar. It's up to you. It's your personal preference. But this is just how we handled it. So we wanted to let you know that, in case anybody sees our video and wonder, "Hey, what's that on the wall there? What's all that stuff?" Well, that's what it is. It's kind of an acoustic barrier to throw the sound back, and that's what that's all about. So I guess I've exhausted that subject. So let's see you at the next one.